Hi there, friends. Debbie here from Southern Delight. Well, this cute little guy right here is a baby shower gift for a little girl, and it has little washcloths all in it, but it's on a little wooden popsicle stick. These make wonderful, wonderful baby gifts, and especially for baby showers. But I want to show you just a little shortcut or a little hack that I use to make these. A pool noodle, I cut it down, and I made a template. I just took it around and made kind of like a little flower edge, as you can see. Just made a flower out of it. And then I'm going to be using this one. I'm going to do with just little baby socks, and I've folded them down to look kind of like petals, and I'm just going to set them all around like so. Like that. Then we have a cute little flower. We're going to put some plastic wrap on it, and voila, we'll have a little daisy for a baby shower. Hope you enjoyed these videos, and if you do, subscribe to my channel because I have plenty more where these came from.